Hey, welcome back to the channel. My name is Eric, and we're going to do a Frankenstein for a customer. That's what they want, okay? We've got a John Deere 345, and it's got the Kawasaki 590 liquid-cooled engine in it, and he said it was making a tunking noise. Tunking noise, all right. You could see through the side of the block a great big hole. So he wanted to know if we could find something that, so he hated to give it up. He went and bought a brand new one because he knew something was up with it. But he said, can you guys make it so that I have it around as my second machine? And we said we could, but it would be costly if we tried going with the Kawasaki, go doing a short block on it. So what we ended up talking to him about was if we could find him a good engine that would drop into it. This is a 22 horse Vanguard Briggs V-twin. Good engine. They're well built. And we took this out of one of the Husqvarnas that we had here that had a bad deck. So we're going to put this into that John Deere chassis and turn it into liquid cooled or air cooled versus liquid cooled. And I'll show you pictures as we're working right now. We're trying to get the PTO clutch off the John Deere. So we're letting the PV blaster sit overnight. So we've been prying on it here and there, and it just didn't want to come apart yet. So we don't want to bust anything. And then I got close-ups of these of the Yahama parts find in Tolson and Walboro of the old carburetor kits that I found that I think I gave like $10 for them. So it's kind of neat. You go through and you find these things, and all of a sudden you find that these 3 kits here are selling about $50 a piece. So I mean, the return on my investment is pretty good, right? And here it was, shoved underneath one of the shelves out there, covered with dust. So on that note, so I was telling Jason that I found an old box that I had this carburetor kit in it, this carburetor kit in it. This is a 449A Walboro, couple of Lehman 401s, but they look like Tolston, but I couldn't find them online. This one is definitely a Tolston, and this is a 451 401 to DG-1HR. And then this arch sprocket, foot pedal. Not sure what that is. That looks like a seal. This is a ring catch. I got 2 of these. It says they're oil injection filters. And then we've got, this is genuine Yamaha stuff. One of the snowmobile spark plug wrenches, made in Taiwan, one of the good old days. Set of keys. But it was kind of neat. We were doing a bunch of cleaning and stuff that I was finding this stuff. And I already found that, these 3 here are bringing around $50 a piece. So I only give $10, I think, for the whole box. So, and you got your bolt with your grease fitting on it, your rear axle, I think. No, I'll try to keep you guys up to date. I'll add a video where I'm out there, the machine out there, and have you follow along with us. All right.